Malaysia is one of the most visited places in Asia, and this video will show you why. Top 15 Tourist Attractions in Malaysia. 1. Langkawi Island. Known to be the land of azure waters. A destination is known for its vast expanse of sandy beaches and azure blue water which enthralls the tourists. 2. Perhentian Island. Witness the colorful corals. Located almost 19 kilometers away from northeastern Malaysia. It is a part of a marine park where activities like fishing is strictly prohibited. 3. Penang. The finest of all. Famous as an exotic destination, the place offers its visitors so much to explore. 4. Kinabatangan. Home to exotic wild. Its wildlife sanctuary attracts a large number of wildlife lovers. Among the most romantic places to visit in Malaysia. 5. Mount Kinabalu. Hiker's paradise. The tallest mountain of Borneo. It is a striking sight to behold. 6. Sipadan Island. The top diving site. The petite island near Semporna in Sabah is among the world's top diving sites, and surely one of the best Malaysian tourist attractions. 7. Redang Island. Home to a marine park. A cluster of 9 islands that form this unique locale for a day tour from the mainland. 8. Pulau Tioman. Path less taken. Pulau Tioman is one of the smallest islands. It has been tagged as one of the most beautiful places to see in Malaysia that is nothing less than paradise on earth. 9. Malacca. The city of ancient architecture. Located 2 hours away from Kuala Lumpur, one of the most famous trading ports of Southeast Asia. Its ancient architecture speaks volumes about its erstwhile grandeur. 10. Perak. A plate full of adventure. Located just 1.5 hours away from Kuala Lumpur, adventure tourists can experience the thrill of water rafting in Perak. 11. Cameron Highlands. Nature at its best. If you want to be at the hills in Malaysia, then Cameron Highlands is the place for you. One of the oldest tourist spots in Malaysia, this hill station was established in the 1930s and is now inhabited by a group of people who are very diverse. 12. Alor Setar. The rice bowl of Malaysia. Alor Setar is among the most important places to see in Malaysia owing to the fact that it's the rice bowl of Malaysia. 13. Semporna. Crystal clear waters. The city of Semporna is famed for the Semporna archipelago, which is one of the most beautiful Malaysian tourist attractions luring in travelers from around the world. 14. Putrajaya. The planned city of Putrajaya happens to be among the most scenic tourist destinations in Malaysia and has the government's administrative body. Possessing impressive architecture, monuments, green spaces, lavish parks, and other tourist attractions, this developed city reflects Malaysia's ambition and vision for the future. 15. Taman Negara. Oldest rainforest. The oldest rainforest in the world, Taman Negara is a quiet and peaceful rainforest in bustling Malaysia. One of the most popular ecotourism destinations in Malaysia, this place offers a respite from the monotony of everyday life and many activities for relaxation and rejuvenation, and definitely some adventure. If you are planning to have an Asian tour, Malaysia has more to offer. Please subscribe, and click the bell button. Thank you.